Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva to make flyers. First, open Canva on your computer or phone. You'll find it super easy to get started. Next, search for flyer in the design types. This ensures your canvas has the perfect size, typically around 8.5 by 11 inches. Then, browse through the hundreds of available templates. There are so many options, you're sure to find one that fits your vision perfectly. Once you've chosen a template, it's time to make it your own. Click on any element to start customizing. You can easily change the color scheme to match your brand or event theme, perhaps using 3 to 5 distinct colors. Experiment with different fonts to find the perfect style. Canva offers thousands of choices. Adjust the text size to ensure your message is clear and easy to read from a distance, maybe using a 24-point font for headlines. Now, let's add some visual flair and essential information. Head over to the Elements tab to discover millions of free and premium graphics, icons, and shapes. You can also upload your own images, like a company logo or event photo, with just a few clicks. Drag and drop them onto your flyer. Don't forget to add all the crucial details using new text boxes, such as the event date, time, and location, ensuring every piece of information is present. Before you finalize your masterpiece, take a moment to proofread everything. Check for any spelling errors or design elements that might be out of place. Once you're satisfied, click the Share button in the top right corner. You can download your flyer in various formats, like a high-quality PDF for printing or a PNG for digital sharing. Canva also allows you to share directly to social media or email, making distribution incredibly simple.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.